Schizophrenia is characterized by thoughts or experiences that seem out of touch with reality and disorganized speech or behavior. Withdrawal from reality and personal relationships into fantasy and delusion are also common in those with schizophrenia. Although the exact cause isn't known, there are two main theories as to the neurological cause of schizophrenia. Similar to Tourette syndrome, they include the involvement of dopamine and structural abnormalities within the brain. Firstly is the dopamine hypothesis. This is the same with Tourette syndrome as well as with many other neuropsychiatric disorders. Dopamine functions as a neurotransmitter or a chemical released by neurons to send signals to other nerve cells. In people with schizophrenia, however, dopaminergic activity has been found to be significantly different than in those without schizophrenia. It is actually in a higher concentration than in those without. Research and studies have found that the dopaminergic activity within the CSTC circuit surpasses the normal activity level found in a person without schizophrenia. The causes can vary between hypersensitive dopamine receptors, an excess in dopamine projections within the brain, or an abnormal presynaptic dysfunction during the synapse process. The second hypothesis centers around areas of the brain that are either larger or smaller in a person with schizophrenia than in a person without. Ventricle enlargements within the brain are accompanied by brain tissue loss averaging about 3%. Another size altercation of the brain is the reduction of medial temporal structures such as the hippocampus, the parohippocampal gyrus, and the amygdala. These structures are what's responsible for regulation of emotions, memory encoding and retrieval, and survival instincts. It is understandable to see why these findings could be a key to schizophrenia when one looks at the causes or the symptoms of this disorder.